To celebrate the 5th anniversary of 10 Rows a Day, I took all tutorials, ebooks and patterns that I've published over these past 5 years and put them together in 5 knitting collections for you, my dear friends. The tutorials are not sorted in any particular order or assembled based on any particular topic. These collections are meant for exploration, trying different knitting techniques, testing various knitting tips and tricks, and working on well-tested, easy-to-follow patterns. You will find a table of contents at the bottom of the product page, and when you get access to the dashboard, you will see that each section is marked by a blue button. Click one of those buttons to open the section with links to the PDFs or links to the ad-free video tutorials. The dashboard doesn't have pictures or embedded videos to make it accessible to knitters with impaired vision and the ones with patchy internet connection. If you are up to some knitting exploration, go to 10rowsday.com/knitting-collections and get the one that appeals to you the most.